Girl, I'm in love with you, baby, and I want you to know that I'm hooked on your body, and I'm trying to be yours.
Okay, everybody, this is our very first wash. This is IndianRemy Ocean Wave, 18 inches, and as you can see, we use the herbal essence, and my daughter is now combing it out with a wide tooth comb, and I must say that the waves have stayed very nicely throughout the wash, and don't pull it too hard, honey. Okay, the 18 inches is really, really beautiful. I'm going to scan all the way around. Okay, let's pull it out this way. So this is the very first wash, and the hair has been in for how many weeks? The hair has been in for 3 weeks. It's still nice and silky. Not many naps or anything like that. It's pretty easy to comb out with the wide tooth comb. And we'll be back after we blow dry, and also we'll show you how we're flexi rodding it too. Bye. And now this is after we have washed the IndianRemy Ocean Wave with the herbal essence. This is now after we diffused it. We used a low heat. It's a little damp, not very much, and as you can see, the texture is still the same. Just a little bit drier, still a little silky, and of course, I'm going to pan out here, very long, and the waves are still holding up, and this is after the diffusing, and we're leaving just a little bit of moisture. And the next video is we are going to use the flexi rods, 2 different sizes, a smaller size for the front, larger for the back, and I'll show you a picture of that.